Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another goals video. So it is August already and we are going to be doing my August goals. Now, before we get started, let me know if you have some goals for August that I should add to my list, or if you just want to tell me what kind of goals you have, let me know down below. Also, make sure you subscribe and like this video. There is a recap of the July goals that I did, and I thought I did pretty good, so make sure you go and check that video out also. And while you're watching this is going to be up on Tuesday, so just a little heads up. So in August, I have 5 goals that I want to complete this month. So we're just going to get right into it. So the first thing that I want to do is get 7 subscribers. Now, the first month that I did it in June, I wanted just 5 subscribers and it went up. And then in July, I actually got 20 new subscribers and I only wrote down 10, but I got 20. So this time I'm going to do 7 new subscribers, only because I have been fluctuating like up and down on subscribers. So I'm going to say 7 new subscribers. Now, if you are a new subscriber right now watching this, welcome. Be sure to subscribe down below for new videos and let me know if you have a channel, because I will go and support you. Love supporting people. So that is goal number 1, 7 new subscribers. Goal number 2 is to get better lighting. Now, I do have good lighting right now, but I have been looking into ring lights, and I know they just got some in Best Buy, and my boyfriend's sister works there, and they get really good discounts. So I really want to probably invest in some good lighting. Like right now, my lighting is pretty good right now as I'm filming this, but it can always get better, right? I want it to be like bright. All right, and number 3. Now, I have wrote this down twice already, and I just need to buckle down and do it. I said in August that I'm going to do it, but in June and July, I wrote down $200 in debt payoff. So that means extra money going towards debt. Not the minimum or anything like that. It's $200 in debt payoff. Now, I really need to buckle down. I do need to print out a template of, that shows how much debt I'm paying off every month, or like something that I can color in or anything. So if you have any ideas, let me know down below. Also, I'm willing to go and check it out. I really do need to print something out so I can keep track of it. I do have a little book that I have done, and it is on the How Much Do We Really Owe video that is going to be linked down below. Also, I might keep just doing that, or I might print something out. So number 4 is, I have done this in June, and that is support 1 new Etsy shop. Now, I have supported Planner Cravings. I bought some Bill Do stickers from her, which are amazing. I'm still using it. And then I am a frequent customer of Simply Cami. Absolutely love her. She has become one of my really good friends on here, and she supports me and I support her. But I am looking to support another new Etsy shop in August. So let me know down below if you have an Etsy shop, and I will go and check it out. I'm looking for some cool like washies or any stickers, really, but super excited to go and support. So the next one is another support. I want to support and subscribe to 5 new upcoming YouTubers. So what that means is that people who don't have a lot of subscribers, that are constantly making videos like I am, and are doing like budgeting or anything like that, budgeting, meal prep, cooking, anything like that, I want to go and subscribe to them. I want to support them. I want to give them advice. If they want to give me advice, that's fine. I will take it. But that is what I want to do. So these are my top 5 goals that I want to achieve in August. Now we're going to just go over it just one more time. That is, number 1 is 7 new subscribers. 2, get better lighting. Number 3 is $200 in debt payoff. That means extra $200 towards, not the minimum. 4 is support 1 new Etsy shop. And then 5 is support 5 new YouTubers. All right, so moving down, we're going to skip a few lines and we're going to do the boxes that we have been doing. So let me find my black pen. All right, so first off, we're going to do the subscriber count. So we're going to do subscribers. Now I am starting at 929 subscribers. So we're just going to do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, if I get more than 7, that is great. I will be grateful and thankful because I know that y'all are liking my videos and supporting me, and I can't thank y'all enough for that. But 7 is what I am aiming for this month. Now we're going to do the debt. I'm going to do $200, and then each square is $25 like I have said before. All right, so we're going to do 4 boxes. No, 2 boxes. Yeah, we're just going to do 2 boxes because that will be $200. Yeah. And then each square is 25, so that is $200. All right, and then support 1 new Etsy shop. So I'm just going to write down Etsy. Oops, I misspelled it. And then if I do it, I'm going to write down the shop that I did, and then the 5 new YouTubers. And I will write their name, and at the end of the month, we will go over who it is and that you should go and check them out also. All right, you guys, so let me zoom out just a little bit for you guys. So this is my August goals layout. New subscribers, pay off debt, support, and then get new lighting. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below if you are a new YouTuber. Let me know if you subscribe to my channel. Let me know any tips of tackling debt if you want to. Let me know a template that I can print out so I can keep track of my debt. And yeah, let me know if you have an Etsy shop and I will go and check that out also. And I hope you are having a great week. I will see you guys later. The next video that y'all should be watching is the weekly check-in, which is going to consist of 2 weeks of weekly check-in because I did not do last week because I was on vacation. But we're going to do 2 weeks. Hopefully I won't mess something up. But if I do, then I will hopefully catch it and correct it. But anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye.